First course, the Data Science Course 2022, Complete Data Science Bootcamp. This course is designed by 365 Careers team. It is the best-selling provider of business, finance, and data science courses on Udemy. This course will help you everything you need to know to become a data scientist at a fraction of the cost of traditional programs. By the end of this course, you will understand the data science field and the type of analysis carried out: mathematics, statistics, Python, applying advanced statistical techniques in Python, data visualization, machine learning, and deep learning. Coding in Python and how to use it for statistical analysis. How to create machine learning algorithms in Python. How to use NumPy and stats models. How to pre-process data. What is the difference between analysis and analytics? Fundamentals of combinatorics, permutations, and how to use them. Fundamentals of probability, distributions, and types of it. How to install Python and Jupyter. How to use arithmetic operators in Python. Next course, Data Science AZ trademark, real-life data science exercises included. This course is instructed by Kirill Eremenko and Legacy team. This course will give you a full overview of the data science journey. Upon completing this course, you will know how to clean and prepare your data for analysis, how to create basic Tableau visualizations, how to create a multiple linear regression and simple linear regression, how to create dummy variables, how to create scripts in SQL, how to create conditional splits in SSS, how to create stored procedures in SQL. Next course, Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp with R. This course is instructed by Jose Marcial Portilla. This course is designed for both complete beginners with no programming experience or experienced developers looking to make the jump to data science. Here are just a few of the topics we will be learning. Programming with R and advanced R features. How to use R data frames to solve complex tasks. How to use R to handle Excel files. How to do web scraping with R. How to connect R to SQL. How to use Plot2 for data visualizations. How to use Plotly for interactive visualizations. Next course, Data Science, Natural Language Processing, NLP, in Python. This course is offered by Lazy Programmer Inc. In this course you will build multiple practical systems using natural language processing and learn how to write your own cipher decryption algorithm using genetic algorithms and language modeling with Markov models. How to write your own spam detection code in Python. How to write your own sentiment analysis code in Python. Next course, Learn Data Science and Machine Learning with R from AZ. This course is instructed by Juan Galvin and Ismail Tigrek. In this practical, hands-on course you'll learn how to program in R and how to use R for effective data analysis, visualization, and how to make use of that data in a practical manner. How to use R to clean, analyze, and visualize data. How to do data cleaning, processing, wrangling, and manipulation. How to build web apps and online, interactive dashboards with R Shiny. Next course, Applied Data Science Specialization. This course is offered by IBM. This specialization is for data science enthusiasts who want to acquire practical skills for real-world data problems. It includes 4 courses and 1 project in it. By the end of this course, you'll feel comfortable creating basic programs, working with data, and solving real-time problems. Basics of Python and various data types such as integers, real numbers, and strings. How to implement loops and creating functions. How to work with data in Python, read and write files. How to read and collect data with different file formats. How to build a dashboard using Python. How to extract stock data using a Python library and web scraping. How to analyze data using Python. How to use the libraries in Python. Fundamentals of data wrangling tasks. How to read CSV files into a pandas data frame. How to generate line plots using Matplotlib. How to create plots and histograms with Matplotlib. Next course, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This course is offered by IBM. This certification consists of 9 online courses, It includes open source tools and libraries, Python, databases, SQL, data visualization, data analysis, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning algorithms. By end of this certification course, you'll learn data science through hands-on practice in the IBM cloud using real data science tools and real-world data sets. What are the popular data science tools and its features, how to use them? How to create and manage source code for data science in GitHub. Data science methodology and its flowchart. How to use expressions in mathematical operations. How to create functions to perform a specific task. How to collect the data by using APIs and web scraping. How to analyze data within a database using SQL and Python. How to create a relational database on cloud and work with tables. How to write SQL statements including select, insert, update, and delete. How to analyze data using Python. How to handle missing values in data. How to use the Pearson correlation method to compare two continuous numerical variables. How to use the chi-square test to find the association between two categorical variables. How to identify overfitting and underfitting in a predictive model. Next course, Data Science Specialization. This course is offered by Johns Hopkins University. There are 10 courses in this specialization, and these course covers the concepts and tools you'll need throughout the entire data science pipeline, from asking the right kinds of questions to making inferences and publishing results. How to set up R Studio and GitHub. How to create a GitHub repository. How to use R to clean, analyze, and visualize data. How to use GitHub to manage data science projects. How to use R for effective data analysis. How to simulate data in R. How to use R for text and date manipulation. How to use p-values, confidence intervals, and permutation tests. How to use and perform regression analysis. How to use Leaflet to create interactive annotated maps. Next course, Applied Data Science with Python Specialization. This course is offered by University of Michigan. There are 5 courses in this specialization. Introduce learners to data science through the Python programming language. Understand techniques such as lambdas and manipulating CSV files. How to use functions such as group by, merge, and pivot tables effectively. How to create a visualization using Matplotlib. How to create and evaluate data clusters. How to build features that meet analysis needs. Different approaches for creating predictive models. Next course, SQL for Data Science. This course is offered by University of California, Davis. This course is designed to give you a primer in the fundamentals of SQL and working with data so that you can begin analyzing it for data science purposes. How to use SQL commands to filter, sort, and summarize data. How to create an analysis table from multiple queries using the union operator. How to identify a subset of data needed from a column or set of columns.